shelves that I'm gonna throw up real quick in my kitchen. So we have this empty wall right here. There used to be like a random little single cupboard right there, but we took it off because it was kind of awkward. So we decided we're gonna put some shelves in. So let me show you what we're gonna do. So we bought these corbels from this site called Decor Stills. I will link it in the description below, but they have some really good deals on home decor, a lot of farmhouse, rustic style stuff, but they're super cute. They're really heavy, good quality, sturdy, and yeah, I think they'll look good in the kitchen. So we just went to Home Depot and got this piece of wood. We're actually doing 2 shelves, so the other piece is out in the garage. But anyway, it's a 2 by 12. It was 8 feet long, but we had them cut it to 4 feet so that we could drive it home. And now I'm just gonna go outside. I'm going to cut it down a little bit because we don't want it to be 4 feet. I want it to be a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna go cut it down to the right size and stain it, sand it, stain it, and it's pretty much as simple as that. So okay, so I decided I wanted them to be 40 inches long, so I'm just gonna measure this board and make a line at the 40. And I'm gonna do it on the other side as well. And then you just take it over to your saw. I'm going to stand on the piece of wood with my foot because I don't have enough hands to film. And I already lined up. See that little mark? And the blade will cut right next to it. So here we go. And my blade isn't long enough, so I have to flip it around, cut the other side. Okay, here's the other side. Blade's on, good. And there you go. There's a 40-inch shelf. So now I have my sander. I'm just sanding the raw edges that I just cut. If you can tell, they're pretty jaggedy, so. Okay, so here is one of the shelves. I'm about to stain it. I'm using, nope, not that one. I'm going to use this special walnut stain by Minwax. And I'll show you, I'm just using this foam paintbrush. I'll show you what it looks like. So it goes on pretty dark, but once you wipe it off, it just has a really pretty warm medium brown color to it. So I'll show you that once it's done. So I usually let it sit on there for a couple minutes, and then I will go back over it with a paper towel and wipe off any excess stain. And then I'll show you what it looks like after that. Okay, so I'm going back with a paper towel, wiping off any excess stain and see how much lighter it gets. It just gives it a nice little medium brown color, like I said earlier. So that's the color it will be. Okay, so I just measured the distance between our cabinets to the counter, and it's 17.5 inches. So over here, I am going to measure 17.5 inches as well, so it's the same height as the cabinets. Try it out there. Make a mark, and then do a second mark over here so you can make a straight line. Okay, now I want to find the center of the wall so I know where to hang my shelf. So from there to there it's 52 inches. So I'm gonna cut off 6 inches from both sides, and that will be the length of my shelf, and that will tell me where I need to put my corbels and everything else. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And put 6. And then I think we'll put the corbels in another 6 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is where the first corbel will go. And you probably can't see this, but this is where the second corbel will go. Okay. Okay, so next you're gonna need your power drill, some screws. I think I'm gonna use these. That's what they are. Anyway, so I'm gonna use these to screw the corbels into the wall. So here we go. So I'm gonna put it up to this mark that I made where the corbel is supposed to go. So it's right there. I'm gonna make some marks where the screws need to go. So I'm just gonna draw a little circle in all 4 holes. And then I'm gonna pre-drill the holes a little bit. There's one, and now I will do the other side. I'm gonna put the shelf on. It's not stained yet, but I just want to see how it looks. Come look from this view. And then there will be another one right above it, like right up there. Looks pretty cute though.